Now they take our blocks. Yup, but they borrowed us this. Yep. Oh, Faye. Wait. Hiccup! Hiccup! Oh no, Reddy!
Huh? What's happening?
Reddy has hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup.
I see. I think. What's just happened? How does he hiccup?
Just a while. I don't know. I just eat a fast time in my dinner.
Oh no, baby. There's something stuck on your body.
Oh, in my throat?
Yes.
Oh no. Could you figure something?
Can I have blocks?
Oh, here you go.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No. Where did she go? Why is she taking soda?
Here.
Wow.
Take it.
Thank you.
It will push the thing.
Ready for your surgery? Ready? Yes, Sonic.
Oops.
Oh no!
There's still a little water.
Okay. It's not a surgery. Just pretend. Hey guys! Huh? I'm not hiccuping. Wow, really? Yes! What? How? Wow, do you want to go to the market?
Yes.
For what?
For buying, right?
Let's buy some toys. Great idea!
From the Jollibee.
Yep. I saw Waffer. Guys, you don't know what's Waffer? Waffer is a dog. He's real kind.
I'm here.
Oh, she's only there. Let's go.
I'm Waffer.
Okay, there's Waffer. What do you want? What is it? I will pay, okay? Waffer.
It's cute.
Wow.
It has yellow hair.
And there's a bit red for the ketchup.
I like the color.
Oh, that costs us 50.
But
Oh,
I have 10.
Here, I will pay for it.
10?
Oh, I have 200 more.
Thank you.
Okay, I will want this thing and this. Wow, you sell blocks?
Yes. Yes.
How much is it?
It would be 100.
Oh, here. Ta-da.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's play. Whoa, the Lego is still wet.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Wow, you have a toy?
Yes.
Wow.
Vroom.
Hey, it looks like this one.
Just want to go to the car and it's already on there.
Whoa, and this one is a giant. Let's play. Let's play. Roar. Yeah. Oh no. I guess this is so long. I hope you learned something. You should hold your breath when you're hiccuping. And you will ask a friend to scare you. So your hiccups will be gone.
Goodbye.
And yep, bye-bye. And this is the last. Drink slowly to cure your hiccups, okay? Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, did you learn something? So, guys, bye bye.